Hi, I'm Bon, a content creator passionate about spreading positive vibes, inspiring others, and making a difference in my community. My content focuses on live streaming and YouTube, where I collaborate with other creators like Marchi Vlog, Woos Bing, The Explorer, Dankals TV, Mama Loves, and Sir Jam CJ to sing, connect with people, and uplift their spirits. One of the content I'm most proud of is our collaborative live stream that inspire and empower students and young professionals. Coming from a poor family, I used my journey of earning a degree despite challenges to inspire others to stay motivated and achieve their dream. Our live streams are not just about music but also about creating supportive community that encourage perseverance, self-confidence, and hope. I want to join this program to enhance my content creation skill and learn innovative ways to tell stories that resonate with my audience. By improving my craft, I hope to reach more people, inspire change, and address issues like work pressure and lack of confidence in pursuing one's dream. Together, we can build a brighter and more positive future. Thank you for watching.